Let's take a look at some of the features for this product. The Cookie Monster food train is one part of the Sesame Street Roads and Rails collection. It is a train set that can operate as a standalone toy, or it can connect to the larger Elmo Junction. Now let's take a look at some of the negative aspects for this product. The fact that Cookie Monster food train is part of a set could potentially be a drawback, as parents might not want the potential commitment of purchasing the entire series. Now let's have a look at some of the positive aspects. The included crate of bananas and the soundtracks that play as the train is pushed across the track demonstrate that Cookie Monster has branched out his eating habits to include more natural sweets instead of his traditional cookie gobbling. Here's our conclusion. Sesame Street toys have long been huge favorites for kids and parents alike, and the Cookie Monster food train promises to continue that tradition when it's released. To find out more information about this product, click on the link below now.